how can you disable experience invitation notifications on your Roblox app. We're going to figure out this solution on how you can do that in your app. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here on more down here. When just click here on more here, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down here. So then you click here on settings, click on it here. Then it's going to take you to this list here. Then you click here on notifications, click on it. So then you come to this list here, just switching to open video here. So then it's going to show for you like this here. So then you click here on mobile push notifications, click on it. So then you go down, you come here to experience invitation, click in this sign or this color. Like you see here, color it's gone, that's mean it's disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like